नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Today we want to discuss the role of kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening play a great role in economic development of a family. They give on time a very fresh vegetable to the family, which play a great role in health improvement. Now we have one canal place, and in one or two canal place we have grown different vegetable. Now I show to you these vegetable. The first vegetable are garlic. Please see it. These are the garlic. You saw, these are garlic, and this is spinach. We have grown spinach, and there you will also see the salad. Please see it. These are the salad, and here you will see the coriander, dhania. We have sown it, and you check it. There you will see the red radish. These are the red radish. They are in a growing position, and some radish we have also cut for our food. There you will see the brassica campestris as well as the simple radish. These radish play a great role in salad making, and through this way we eat more. There you will see sarso. They also play great role, and there you will see the potato. There also the garlic. There is the coriander, and these are the potato. So these crops play great role in family development and play great role in health, because fresh vegetable are gained from this kitchen gardening. These vegetable growth affected by different variable. First is the soil, cultivation of the soil, fertilizer, water, and environment. So it is necessary for everyone. If they have little land, they grow some vegetable there. Through this way, there the beautification will be also occur, and they also get some vegetable from these kitchen gardening, and fresh vegetable they will gain for their family. Okay, it was a small video which I have prepared for the people to know that what role kitchen gardening play in the family development. Wassalam.